Hello guys, and welcome to this video lecture. Today's lesson is about how to use comment in Python. Comments are lines of text that don't affect the way a program runs. Commenting on your code helps explain your thought process and helps you and others understand later on your code indentation. This allows you to find errors more quickly, fix them, improve the code later on, and reuse it in other applications. So comments are seen as good practice for programmers and developers. Without comments, things can get confusing really fast. So to comment a single line, we can simply use a hash sign like this. This is comment. Now, if we want to comment multiple lines, we can use 3 single quote. So multi-line comment both start and ends with 3 single quote like this. And between those 3 single quote, you can write anything you want. You can write any number of lines. Actually want. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you found some value from this video. Feel free to like, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.